Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust R3 chain step by step. Start by locating the rear axle and chain adjusters near the swing arm and loosen the axle nuts slightly so the wheel can move. Measure chain slack at the midpoint with the bike unloaded and set your target slack. Keep tools organized and work on a flat surface to avoid surprises and ensure accurate adjustments. Warmly check the chain slack with your finger at the midpoint and aim for the recommended range for your R3. Use the adjuster bolts on both sides of the swing arm, turning them equally to move the rear wheel until slack is correct. Make small changes and remeasure often so you don't over-tighten. This method keeps the chain durable and the ride smooth while preventing premature wear or unsafe tension. Once slack and wheel alignment are correct, torque the axle nuts to the proper specification to lock everything in place. Double-check alignment marks or measure from axle to frame for straight tracking so the bike handles predictably. After torquing, spin the wheel and inspect chain tension through several rotations, then apply lubricant to the chain. Finish with a cautious test ride to confirm smooth shifting and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.